In this section, we're going to cover the loop test functionality that is built into the new version 7 software for the Autrol transmitter. We'll be using the two buttons on the top for the interface as we move through this. I will refer to the left button as either 0 or left, and the right button here is span or right. To access the menus, we will push and hold both of them, wait for the change to say menu, and then let go. To access this function that we're looking for, which is a loop test, we'll be at 1 trim. We'll push the right button to get to 1-1, push the left button to get to 0 adjust. One more time, and this will be our loop test function. The right button will take us into this function where it's currently set it off. We'll use the left button here to scroll through the options that are available. We can hold at the current value. We can do a 4 milliamp, 8, 12, 16, 20 milliamp, or enter a value that you would like to set to hold that value for the output of the transmitter to troubleshoot a loop or check a value. Let's go back and hold at 4 milliamps, for example. It will ask us to save once we choose that option using the right button. And up at the top display, you're going to see it says loop. That will allow any operator of the transmitter to know that it's in a fixed output mode, and that if the process measurement isn't changing in response to an actual process change, that may be why. So let's do this one more time. Let's turn it off, which will be using the right button here. Hit save, and you'll see the loop disappears now that we're out of the loop test mode. So one more time, to set the loop test, the left button will cycle through the options. We'll hit 16 milliamps. We will use the right button to select, hit save, and we're currently in fixed output mode. Once again, to take it off, we use the right button to go back in, use the right button to select off, hit save, and we're out. If you do want to do a custom, hit the right button again to enter, left over until we hit other, hit the right button, and we will use the up and down buttons just as we do for value entry. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4 milliamps, push and hold both to proceed to the next one, hit save, and again we can see the loop test is performing right now because of the indication on the display. And that's as easy as it gets to troubleshooting a loop with the Autrol transmitter in the new version 7 firmware.